Welcome to Everyday Money Matters, where we explore practical tips on saving and making money in your daily life. Get ready to embark on a journey towards financial empowerment and smart choices. Subscribe now, and let's make every day count for your wallet. In today's video, we will discuss rental payments and your credit score. Now let's get to it. While rent payments do not traditionally affect your credit, a growing number of so-called rent reporting services are trying to change that. These services track users' rent-paying habits and report them to one or more of the big credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, with the aim of helping renters build credit and potentially boost their credit score. But these services don't all operate the same way, and some may have less value for renters. There's one major detail you should consider before signing up, and that is, are your payment record going to all three bureaus? It's important for people to understand that you don't just have one credit score. You just don't know which bureau your lender is going to use to get your information. Real estate site Zillow Group launched a new rent payment reporting feature. Renters who pay through the site can now opt in to have their on-time rent payments reported to Experian, one of the three major credit bureaus, at no charge to the renter or landlord. In order for a renter to use the Zillow feature, their landlord must be a user of Zillow Rental Manager and have agreed to receive payments through the firm. While Zillow is the first real estate marketplace to report rental payment data to a credit bureau, it joins a host of different rent reporting services already available for consumers. There are many services renters can look into, including some that are free, such as Pinata, and others that come with service or processing transaction fees, such as Rental Karma, which charges $8.95 a month after an initial setup fee of $75. There are also services geared to landlords that offer rent reporting for tenants, including ClearNow, Esusu, and Pay Your Rent. Landlords usually shoulder the cost of these programs, but there may be processing fees depending on how you make your rent payments. Nearly 50 million Americans have no usable credit scores, according to a 2022 fact sheet from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency's Project REACH, or Roundtable for Economic Access and Change. Being credit invisible can affect your ability to qualify for loans and affect the interest rates and terms you are given when you apply for credit. When rent payments are included in credit reports, consumers see an average increase of nearly 60 points to their credit score, according to a 2021 TransUnion report. Other payment reporting programs such as Experian Boost, Stellar Fi, and Ultra FICO have aims similar to those of rent reporting services, but with different kinds of payments. They allow users to build credit based on alternative metrics such as banking activity and payments for streaming services, electric bills, and mobile phone plans. Talk to your landlord before you sign up for a rent reporting service on your own. They may be open to signing up as a benefit to their tenants. While people are creatures of habit and don't always embrace change, a credit building feature can help a landlord stand out in a competitive rental market. It would be significant added value. Building credit is a big deal, and if you are somebody who can help people build credit, you may be a little more interesting to them. In conclusion, before you sign up to a rent reporting service, it's important to understand which bureau or bureaus the company sends reports to. It may not be worth using a service that sends rent payment reports only to a single bureau. If a rent reporting service only gives your information to one of the three big bureaus, and the lender that you are getting your auto loan from uses a different credit bureau, the benefits that could and should come with that tool may not end up panning out. The ideal is that the rent reporting company gives the data to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.